Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to this video and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this affiliate marketing platform that you can be able to join today and be able to work with it and start making money online. So I'm going to be opening this platform. I'll be talking about Agoda. This is an affiliate marketing platform. You can see that's travel agents, but it also offers affiliate marketing programs that can be helping other individuals or third party to be able to make money online by doing affiliate marketing. So it's from Singapore, as you can see, and it's now classified under Booking Holdings Inc. So what you do is to come here and open the platform. Let's see, I'm gonna be opening this platform, which is Oda. So after opening the platform, what happens is that you will be able to visit the website directly, and after going to the website directly, you can be able to get started by exploring different services they provide to the individuals. And as you can see, they provide hotels and homes booking, transportation services, including flight, buses, trains, ferries, airport transfer, car rentals. Also, they have things to do categories. They have so you can be able to list your price or your place, and also you can see if you want to select maybe something. I have to select list. Let's check. Maybe it's a home. And if it's a longer stay, you have to select the destination where you want the destinations. Maybe let's say Dubai. I want to select from Dubai, and I have to select the dates. Maybe it's from today to January 1st, 2026 to January 17, 2026. I have to select how many people you want to come with. There are two others. Now I have to search. So after searching, they are going to list or to provide different suggestions which are related to my search. And also after getting the suggestions, I have to select which ones I have to be going with, and also the ones to be ignoring. Let's maybe say that I don't have this calculation. As you can see, you get an extra 5% off today, which means I can be able to get 5% through these services. You can see 50%. Now I'm paying 54, 51 out of 107. 23 1 out of 5 to 4. So you can see now if you Dubai, now they take new sites, now Millennium Places. Also I have to click on this one, and if I click on this, you can see it's based lately 4-star hotels, and what they have to bring now is the there's buildings that I can be able to select. You can see they have reviews, they have everything that I want to be looking from. Now select which one I can be joining today. So if it's a long stay, maybe I've selected the 1 week, and this 1 week or 2 weeks are gonna be staying there, and you can be able to book through there. And so if you book through there, that means someone who have provided you this affiliate platform can be able to earn money for us. So however, because you're the one who want to earn, let's see what you have to do. You have to go back to agoda.com, and we scroll down to the bottom of the platform. And as you can see, if you go to the bottom, we have a lot of services as well. So what you do is to come here to the affiliate sections. So let me go back to home because I'm still on search, and they are still bringing me with different results, and I don't have to be getting these results as well. So what you do is to go to the bottom, of course. And so once you're at the bottom, you can see we have affiliate link section. And also we have other sections. However, our main focus is affiliate section because we want to be now also looking at the affiliate marketing section. So if you know, you need to be also focusing on partner hub or advertising on Agoda, or also the API documentation. If you have also platforms and you want to integrate the API to your platforms, also welcome and select the one you wish. However, for us, we're gonna be only looking on this one, which is affiliates. So what we do is to click on it, and also after clicking on this affiliate section, you can see we're gonna have also this opening link. So you can see immediately it's open partners.agoda.com, and what happens is that you can see Agoda partners, they have home online list here. You can be able to list there if you have home something else. Also you have see partners, and what they say is that each booking that is made, each 200 booking USD that is made, you're gonna be making a commission of 5% rate each, which means for each 200 USD that sales you made is gonna be earning for you 10 USD per that sale. So that means depends on how many sales you have made, how many clients you have attracted and obtained it, how many clients you have convinced. That is gonna be defining the amount of money you're gonna be making. The higher number of sales you get, also the higher number of money or the higher number of incomes which is going to be increasing, and also the high income is going to be increasing coming to you. So let's now say if you want to be signing up, before we go back, let's see, I have this one now to become an affiliate partner and start monetizing your traffic. What you need to do, you have to become an affiliate, and becoming an affiliate, that means Agoda Genius commission rates get even better with the more booking. The more completed checkouts bookings you have each month, the higher the percentage of those bookings you get for that month. Also, you have to store their free tools, and after that, earn more per booking. You can be getting it started earning more per booking. Also, there is easy integration. If you want to look at how you can integrate it, you can come and read all this information. And also after reading all this, you're gonna be having also this Lias multilingual, and that means you can be able to use more than one language on your platform, also and doing the affiliate marketing activities. And also they have total supports. Their total support is ready to help you get started as an affiliate, answer questions and be your backup through the process, which means any question or any challenge you're gonna be facing, you're also welcome, because you have some people around you who will be able to provide the support you might need. That's at your fingertips. Also, you can be able to track the performance, earnings, and more on your dashboard with the free detailed reportings anytime you wish. If you want to get started as well, you have to be clicking on this one and sign up. It's very simple. This one, you have to click on the sign up section, and also after clicking on the sign up section, you can see they're going to be opening the link that I can be using to get started with signing up. You can see now I'm on the sign up page, and so what they asking me is the information that I have to fill out. I have to fill out my first name, last name, email address, password, confirm password, and also you have to read the terms of policies and the conditions. Also, now if you say you agree, you receive updates, that means you're going to be going to the promotions which I provided to you whenever also these are needed. So you can see these are terms and conditions. You have to read through them, and also after understanding these terms and conditions, that is where you can also be clicking on sign up. Once you're done signing up, also you have to read the terms and policies. Also terms and conditions of course vary, and also they can be able to help you understand each and everything, and each level stuff that you will be able to use, either including partner center, variation of applicable roles, viruses, malware, and other calls on Agoda systems. All these things you'll be able to understand the terms and conditions and what is allowed and what is not allowed on the platform. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe and turn on the bell so as you always get notified when I upload new video here at Max TV.